Oh snap, finally running. She's finally running. Let me go ahead and take this to AAA real quick and we'll catch up on the video. Let's roll, right hand drive. We're always with you, AAA. Leaving AAA, everything's good. Got a moving permit. Got a smog here in California, but nonetheless, I'm gonna get a camera mount in this hoe so we can ride with style. But yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's get up out of here, y'all. Nice. Cluster doesn't work, but that's all good. We're gonna fix that. Looks solid, like it ain't dirty underneath these lights. But man, we made it all the way back to the crib and we gotta head back out. We're gonna head over to Super Tuning to see if we can talk about what we got planned next for this car, because now we gotta smog it. So take it to the best exhaust guy in the world, in town. But let me tell you, this thing is so grateful to have this thing back. Need a new trunk because somebody hit me a while ago. That sucks. I forgot all about that dent. The door, I know there's a dent there. Clearly new paint, new fenders. Sorry, they're bringing the trash in, so I better get moving. But man, I'll do more when I get to the shop. Let me get out of here because that trash truck is coming. But hell to the yeah. Hell to the yeah, we back. All right, let's get back to the road. Truck on the opposite side. And look at that. That's what I'm trying to turn this car into. I'm trying to turn it into that right there. Yeah, she got potential. She got potential. Yeah, but it's only infamous to get gas on the opposite side. Only right. Only right. All right, let's go get this guy. I don't understand how long it took me. Oh, psych. Need more gas. How long it took me to get the car like this, man. How long it took me just to get her back out here rolling. And it's all beat the crap. But mother trucker, we out here. We out here. Let me make that a solid 16. Man, you know what? I messed up. Whatever. All right, come on. 17. Hey, sucker! With that 5 point, yeah, you already know. Fuel in it, and then the fuel cluster went all the way down to 0. Not sure why, but it had shown a quarter of a tank when I got it, and now it's all the way down. So I'm gonna put some more fuel in it so I know I filled it up. But other than that, I don't know. Gotta see what's happening here. Leaving now. But trust me, if you guys want to get anything done, go to Super Tuning out here in Van Nuys, California. I'll plug where you can find them. Right-hand drive, good peoples. Now it's time to get on the street. We're gonna get this work. Next stop, back to the crib and just wrap this video up, man. We out of here. Oh, nope, can't get away with it nowhere, y'all. Look, I get it, y'all. It's California. People look at it like, hey, I don't want the sun on my face. I get it, but I'm glad to be in my convertible. I love my hardtop. I love it. Love it. Hey, I'm gonna put y'all right here real quick. truck and love it. Thank all you guys for being a part of both the Mazda 3, the Mazda NB, the Mazda NA. And now that I got both these girls home, it is going to be a journey. Let me tell y'all something. Y'all don't understand how happy I am, how ecstatic it took me way too long to get the funds, and I couldn't do it by myself. To those who were buying my merch, for those that were donating to the cause, to those that were just saw the vision. This is the first time in a long time these girls been together. These girls haven't seen each other in years. I feel like it's a family reunion, and I don't know what to say. I'm just ecstatic that I got my MB, my right-hand drive MB, and I got let that car pass. Got that 2000 and that 1990. Yeah, brake fit. Could not have done it without you guys. So stay close. We're gonna look, this car has a lot of work visually, internally. She needs a lot of TLC, and we're gonna do it together. So come through, watch this build breakdown, watch this build breakup, this brake fit, this breakdown, Look, just watch how we break all of this, especially break the internet. All right. All right, shout out to a lot of people. It's the world famous Mr. Jason Sensation, aka Breakfit, aka I could not have done it without y'all. So